going on our holidays.
Kind of.
Kind of. I wouldn't mind moving here, to be honest.
Yeah, it's actually lovely.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
And welcome to all the new people.
Yes, to the new people. If you are new here, that little red button down below. Click it. Subscribe. So, today we are very, very excited because we're going on our holidays.
Kind of.
Kind of. I feel like we're going to the airport to go somewhere far, and that's how excited we are after being in lockdown for the last few months. We have booked an Airbnb to stay for one night.
Little pod.
Less than an hour from our home.
It looks so cool.
It's in County Wicklow. It's down the road, but we don't care. We're just so excited to get away. So yeah, very excited. It's a little pod. It's called a Laurel Pod, and we're on our way now. So
It looks really good though.
yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Am I going in first?
I'm not going to fit you.
This is cute.
Hi.
Oh, we made it.
We just checked in.
It's so pretty down here.
Yeah, it's really, really nice.
It's literally just a pod in the host's garden, but it's
Really, really nice.
it's really nice, yeah.
It's real, like, it's bigger than a studio, to be fair.
Yeah, it is actually. Like, if you were to have to live in this, you wouldn't mind.
Well, you usually live in this. Well, if you had like an oven on it.
Yeah. But
Other than that, yeah.
no cooking facilities. Like, there's a toaster and a kettle and a
Microwave and a
microwave.
fridge.
But she said the closest town is like
10 minutes
10
away.
minutes away, so we go get a Chinese there later on maybe.
Chinese.
We did all the hard work, Bob.
Make sure someone does it.
I'm just chilling on the bed watching Lee do all the hard work. Good job.
Thanks.
You're doing a great job.
He's a big boy. Very big boy. Here's Leah with a pupper.
I made a new friend.
Hey Leah and hey pupper.
This is Tilly. Say hi, Tilly. Hi. So they have two dogs, Tilly and Tommy. And they have loads of chickens too. It's pretty cool. But the doggies are very friendly. She gives out to me when I don't pet her. She nudges me. But yeah. Cutie. Cutie.
Such a photogenic dog as well, to be fair.
This is Tommy. Hey, Tommy.
The one thing we were told is don't let the dogs into the pod, and yeah, we kind of just got like the door kind of pushed open and he ran in, so we're like, oh shit, get him out. So we went and sit outside with him.
This is the bathroom area, which is pretty cool. We have a shower, a toilet. And the pod is just over there. Bit of a walk, hopefully it doesn't rain later. See you now!
So first things first, big shout out to Ralph for the haircut. Underdog Barbershop, go check it. So I'm going to get food because me and Leah realised that we don't really have anywhere to cook in the pod. So I was asking the host and she was saying that you literally turn right when you come out and keep going dead straight, you come up to a Super Value where there's a Chinese up there. So I'm going to get Chinese. Back in a few.
Please come back with food!
Just got home with Chinese.
I'm so excited, I'm so hungry! We're dining al fresco.
I only found out what al fresco meant the other day.
Outside?
Embarrassing. Yeah, I didn't know.
Me?
I didn't know.
Alright, buddy. We've got some chicken friends. What are we doing for the evening, Lee?
Zoom quiz. So, for the night, we decided we were going to have a bit of fun, play a pub, not a pub quiz, a little Zoom quiz with Leah's family, and we won!
We're the winners!
We won!
Chuffed. Out of every week we've been playing them at home and stuff, and we've not won.
And
this
we
week
keep
we've
coming
won.
so close to winning, so close. We keep getting like within 1 or 2 points of winning. And this week we won. Let's go.
Chuffed. I think this pond might be bringing us good luck.
I think so. I think we would move here.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind moving here, to be honest.
Yeah, it's actually lovely.
I need to go to the toilet, but it's really far away and it's dark out. I'm scared.
Just put in the part from Nelson.
Will I bring the torch?
Bring the torch.
Bring the torch. Why is it flashing? Why is it flashing?
What are you getting set in there? Or you broke it earlier. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Okay, bye, Lee.
See you later. Don't let the wolves get you.
Don't! That's really mean. That's really mean. Stop! That's super mean. Okay, I'm literally gonna run and come back. Okay, I made it. I didn't get attacked by the wolves. Actually, there actually is no wolves here, just for anybody who's a bit going. I mean, like, it's fine. But when you're scared of the dark like me, it's not so fun.
That's a big one.
That's so cool. I wonder if I caught it.
What?
I wonder if I caught it. I'm sure it did.
I'm sure it did, yeah.
You are very welcome.
Smudging. Well, Leah found a nice little place to edit.
Hello. Who will want to edit when you have those views?
You should be looking at the screen though.
I don't know, but I think I'm distracted.
So is it a good place to edit then?
Oh yeah, I'd stay here all the time. Get more done, I think. Oh, maybe I won't actually. Bye, little pod. We'll miss you already. We're on our way home and I'm really sad.
Yeah. That was such a nice place.
It was such a lovely place.
Link for it's going to be in the description.
Yes.
Don't know why I put it that way, it's down there.
It's definitely somewhere I would recommend going if you're from Ireland and you just want to get a night away. The host, Jennifer, is lovely. They have 2 cute little dogs, Tilly and Tommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just somewhere nice to go, kind of in the middle of nowhere. That's kind of just a break away from reality, really. Like,
They also got some chickens too.
look at all those tickets.
Yeah, no, it was really, really nice getaway. It was well needed. Literally just what we needed.
Yeah, definitely. Looking forward to our next breakaway as well.
Yeah.
July. So.
With that being said, thanks for stopping by and watching the video.
Yes.
And as always, like, subscribe, notice.
Please. That always means a lot to us guys when